अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि I'm going to show you not one, not two, not three, but 4 game-changing innovations in the world of bathrooms. ये है wash basin with a hidden spa inside. एक mirror that always stays fog and mist-free. और ये है shower system that's like a master orchestrator. और एक hands-free toilet seat जो self-clean करता है. जी हाँ, मैं पहुंच गया हूँ कोलर के एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर और आप और मैं एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हैं द बाथरूम ऑफ द फ्यूचर। तो शुरू करते हैं अपनी फ्यूचर की जर्नी विद द कोलर स्वेदा बेसिन। दिस वन नॉट ओनली वॉशेस बट क्लेंजेस योर स्किन डीपली, इंप्रूव करता है आपकी ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, इंश्योर्स अ प्रॉपर रिमूवल ऑफ ऑल मेकअप एंड इवन प्रिवेंट्स ब्रेकआउट्स। ये एक सिर्फ बेसन ही नहीं, इट्स अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्किन केयर सोल्यूशन। इमेजिन करिए एक्सपीरियंसिंग द सूदिंग बेनिफिट्स ऑफ अ स्टीम बाथ फॉर योर फेस इन द comfort of your home with one touch. Design अगर आप देख रहे हैं, there's no need to bend or compromise on your comfort while using it. सिर्फ यहीं से all the steam comes straight up to you because of this very ergonomic design. बहुत convenient भी है because it's making your life easy bringing Sweda into your house. ये designed है for all type of skin and offers 2 modes to suit your preference. अभी हैं हम लोग normal पे and I can switch to sensitive. ये जो steam है 50% cut हो जाती है इसमें, that really is incredible for those people that have a sensitive skin. And in normal mode, ये produce करता है steam in 30 to 45 seconds. So whichever skin type you have, Sweda has you covered. Best part ये, when you invest in Sweda, you're entitled to a preventive checkup 6 months after your purchase because taking care of your skin should be a worry-free experience. लेकिन आप सोच रहे होगे इतनी steam आ रही है इसमें से, how will you see your beautiful face in the mirror? Well, Kohler's got you covered out there also with this, the Ming LED mirror. इसमें एक built-in defogger है, so you get a crystal clear view of your face post the steam session. Ultra HD reflection है इसमें and a spectrum of LED color temperatures. You can change them to tailor to your ambience. It's an illuminated mirror, proximity sensor, brightness adjustment है इसमें, magnifying mirror है यहाँ पे which can actually redefine the way you see yourself, all the close-up, everything that you want to see. With Ming, आपका जो overall routine है every day, morning or afternoon, becomes a personalized experience, giving you a clear start to your day. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the greatest gadget guru of them all? You know, I actually thought इतना futuristic mirror है, शायद मेरे से वापस बातें भी करेगा. Maybe in the next version. अब करते हैं deep dive, literally dive into the Anthem digital control and valve. You know, ये है perfection in terms of taking a bath or a shower. Imagine आपको मिल रही है power to customize your shower experience to the ultimate limit. You know, it's like an orchestra, like a maestro that is controlling the entire orchestra. टच स्क्रीन है यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, 6 आउटलेट्स का कंट्रोल है इसमें, कमांड ओवर एवरी स्प्रे। ये सिर्फ एक कंट्रोल सिस्टम नहीं है, दिस इज टेक्नोलॉजी मीटिंग एलिगेंस मीटिंग द फ्यूचर। मतलब मेरे को तो इतना दिल कर रहा है कि आई टेयर माई बाथरूम डाउन and put this. शुरू करते हैं डिजाइन के साथ। Very sleek control out here that gives your shower experience a real modern twist. Clean है, minimal look है, feels right out of a modern day science fiction movie. अब चलते हैं towards that one thing that all of us want. Ultimate experience. Anthem Digital Control and Valve gives you an advanced outlet control, independent access to each shower component, industry leading flow of 51 liters per minute, the ability to control temperature and flow rate, and you can have different temperatures in 2 different zones or outlets also. Of course, this is water resistant and it is IPX7 rated. ये एक ऐसा shower experience है like no other. और जो part मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया है that is the presets, यानी कि you have everything set up. अब हर रोज सुबह आके आप बोलोगे यार ये भी मैंने सेट करना है, ये भी ये मेरा टेम्परेचर है. You just have presets, your own custom made shower. अंदर आइए and just press one button and everything, temperature, flow, which outlets, everything works perfectly just for you. जैसे मैंने कहा ना, I really feel like tearing my walls down in my bathroom and putting this. This would be the ultimate experience. And now I want to show you, ये है Kohler का Whale, एक intelligent toilet. Did I say toilet? ये ना, ये basically एक throne है of futuristic innovation और इतनी innovation है इसमें. इतनी innovation, like I have to call this maybe the smartest toilet or bathroom companion I've ever seen. इसमें हाथों की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं. Opening, closing of the seat also ये है completely motion activated that you can see out here. Remote control जो कि यहाँ पे भी लग जाता है magnetically out here, and then you can take it off and keep it in your hand. हर चीज इसमें है. Seat है with adjustable temperature है, temperature controlled water है, great for winters or any other time. Warm air drying है, automatic deodorization system है, self cleaning है via UV sanitization. I'll tell you the part that I absolutely love. इसका जो bidet है, that is made with medical grade stainless steel. तो ये था आपका bathroom of the future. 4 revolutionary products from Kohler. Each of them is a game changer in bathroom technology. आप सोच रहे होंगे, I love them. लेकिन you're wondering, can these innovations fit in your budget? Consider this, investing in these cutting-edge solutions, this is for the future that you can get right now. एक bathroom upgrade नहीं है. This is an investment in your lifestyle and experience in every which way. Kohler Sveda Basin, offering a spa-like experience with incredible technology, comes at a great price point. I think it's an excellent investment for healthier, really radiant skin. उसको complement करने के लिए elevate your post-steam glow with the Ming LED mirror. That's the price point for it. Another great investment for you to really see you look really good. Next, Anthem ka digital control and valve, the maestro of your shower experience. This is the price point that it comes at. Investment into your relaxation, spa-like atmosphere. जैसे मैंने बताया, I'm ready to tear my bathroom down for it. And finally, the Whale Intelligent Toilet, sanctuary of sophistication. जैसे मैंने कहा ना, this is the throne of the future. Great product, great investment in elevated comfort and hygiene at this price point. So out of all these futuristic bathroom products, which is the first one you will add to your lifestyle? Share your thoughts below, and any questions that you have, put them in the comments. I promise to answer each of them personally on Tech Marketified. See you in the next one.